9 of May 2026. Welcome all friends in the Dhamma. In the practice of meditation, if you develop wrong concentration, maybe you got still and not wake up. Okay? But if you develop right concentration, that means you get together, wake up in the calmness. Many people not wake up in the calmness, that is wrong concentration. Okay? Wake up in the calmness. So what is wake up? The knower. Okay? And where is the knower, you know? The knower, there are 6 sensory doors. When you just, your eye see things and see clearly, there is a knower wake up. But if you just see, knower not wake up. Here, clearly, knower wake up. But body contact, tongue contact, nose contact, feel, keep feeling on body, on eating. You feel? When you feel, it looks like you got the knower, see yourself eating. Okay? So the knower wake up when you got very good eye contact. There is eye and form, and knower is eye consciousness. There is ear and voice. If you hearing clearly, you got mindfulness and awareness. Okay? Awareness, mindfulness, awareness, then you got knower. Consciousness, ear consciousness wake up. Body contact. Can you feel together? Not only feel. When you feel together, it got body consciousness wake up. So that's why today. Breathing in, can you feel breathing in? You wake up. You got calmness and consciousness wake up. Okay? So, feeling tongue contact, nose contact, smell, nice smell, or breathing in, can you feel? So, in the practice of mindfulness of breathing, normally you not feel breathing, you only focus breathing. Then you got stuck, you got calmness, knower not wake up. So, we come to the point, how knower wake up. At the touching, you got eye consciousness on your eye, consciousness on your ear, consciousness on your body, feeling on your breathing in, touching inside the nostril. Can you feel? So that's why open eye first and feeling your breathing nicely, gently, naturally. Wake up first. Okay? When you wake up, can you notice together? Every moment of breathing in, feeling and notice. Notice it come here, come from here. Now your eye look at me. Don't look at breathing, but notice or stay focused from your heart. Feeling your breathing and notice. Notice breathing and notice sensation of breathing. Or stay focused on your breathing, stay focused from your heart. Just relax, feel your breathing and stay focused how you breathing in, stay focused, how you breathing out, with notice sensation of breathing. So when you notice, you can notice movement of body and sensation of body. Movement of breathing, long, breathing in long, breathing out long. Notice movement and sensation of breathing. Can you? So this is come from heart. That means you stay focused from your heart. Stay focused from your heart with notice and aware. Okay? How to stay focused? I focus on you. I just look and focus directly because you are in front of me. But breathing not in front of me. Breathing is inside. I cannot look. If I look, then I have to keep my head down and focus. Or maybe I have to observe. Try to focus, like use my eye to glance at the breathing. That all mistake. Okay? So just feeling first. Because feeling you got consciousness. Feeling, touching, you got the knower. Consciousness is the knower. The knower wake up, mind see the body. The knower is your mind, conscious mind. Okay? So in the meditation we got calmness and mind see the more calmness and mind see the body more and more. If more calmness, mind can see the body clearly. And what is your mind? Consciousness. And where consciousness from? Eye seeing picture, see clearly. You got eye consciousness. Ear hearing voice, listen carefully, mindfully, and clearly. Okay? And then breathing in, feeling clearly. Feeling the whole breathing. Can you feel the whole breathing? That's why many masters always tell you breathing in long, 2 times, 3 times first. Then to wake up consciousness from your heart. When it wake up already, then your heart itself stay focused. Stay means stay in your heart. And focus means stay focused means focus from your heart. You don't have to use your eye to focus breathing. Your eye with me, but can you stay focused? Now you are breathing or not? And now you are breathing in or now you breathing out? Stay focused. You got notice instantly. When breathing calm, you can notice instantly. Okay? Very quickly. Notice and aware. Aware means knowing clearly. Notice and aware. So now, today we develop concentration from heart. I can say this is right concentration because you can stay focused on this person. Even you walk, can you stay focused on this person walking? But your eye look at the way. Okay? Now just walk by your hand. Can you just stay focused on how you walking? But your eye look at the way. Okay? Your eye look at the way. And when you stay focused on walking, what do you see? You see movement, and you see touching, and you see sensation of movement. Okay? Can you realize sensation of movement? If you focus walking, focus step up, step down, you cannot focus sensation. You cannot focus sensation on the movement. But from your heart, you can stay focused on walking, body foundation. on sensation of walking, and on sensual pleasure. You can stay focused, seeing how you walking, how you feeling. Stay focused is good. Can you stay focused body outside, inside together? Body outside is sitting. Body inside is all the four elements. Can you stay focused body and four elements together? That's why you can fulfill the four foundations of mindfulness. The Buddha said, mindfulness and awareness contemplate body outside, contemplate body inside. If you use your thought, you have to focus one by one, outside and then inside. Okay? But stay focused, you can stay focused, as the Buddha said, body outside, body inside together. Because you are you are with him. When you are with him, you can stay focused outside and inside together. And stay focused, you can stay focused outside, inside, body outside, body inside. Body inside, for example, you can stay focused four elements of body outside, body inside, or pulsation, or heartbeat, or breathing. This is body inside. Okay? So that's why to fulfill Satipatthana or develop Vipassana, you must be able to stay focused body outside, contemplate body outside, body inside, and body inside and outside together. Okay. And when you, what different? If you focus, you have to focus outside and inside, one by one. Okay? But if you stay focused, you can see both sides, outside and inside. Okay? And stay focused on sensation, sensation of body, sensation in your mind, you can stay focused together. Okay? And stay focused on your thought. Okay? You just instantly notice and aware. Stay focused, that is notice and aware, notice and aware, notice and aware. Awareness of thought arising and notice, awareness of thought arising and notice. Stay focused, you got awareness and notice, awareness and notice, notice and aware, awareness and notice. It's very quick, okay? Very quick. And then the last foundation. First is body foundation, body outside, body inside, and then sensation foundation, sensual pleasure, more sensual pleasure inside and more inside. You can stay focused, but you cannot focus. People do wrong concentration. They focus sensation. They use your head, their brain, and then they can only focus sensation of body, but cannot focus together sensation of the sensual pleasure. Okay? That's why they waste their time. Today, if you use your citta, this is pure mind. This is conditioning mind. Okay? Sankhara jit. This is pure mind or citta. Citta is here. If you do meditation from citta, you can see through body outside, inside, sensation, outside, inside, inside, outside, mind, thought, and desire, who drive thought coming up, the cause of thinking good, the cause of thinking bad, okay, and all mental phenomena, wholesome and unwholesome. This is the four foundation. First foundation, body. Second foundation, sensation. Third foundation is mind activity. Thinking good, thinking bad, okay? You can stay focused, notice and aware, aware and notice, notice and aware, aware and notice, okay? But if you focus, you can focus on the body, but cannot focus body inside. You can focus sensation on body, cannot focus sensation inside. You can focus thought, but maybe you try to fight with thought. And the last foundation is contemplation of Dhamma. Dhamma, good, wholesome feeling or unwholesome feeling arising. When you stay focused, it got very quick. Awareness arise, awareness, and then notice, and then disappear. Awareness of wholesome or unwholesome feeling arise, it got awareness instantly, and notice, disappear. Okay, but if you not use your heart, then you just observe, aware, observe from your brain, or look from your thought. You got wholesome or unwholesome feeling, it got delay, maybe delay for uh, 10 seconds, then you just notice it. Okay, you just observe it, but stay focused, no delay. No delay. It arising, you aware and notice. Arising, disappear, aware and notice. So this is the benefit of do meditation from your pure mind, citta here. Okay. And this is the most important is from citta here, you can do meditation until the last minute when you admit in hospital and lie down. Sometimes your brain not function, but you still can stay focused, breathing in and out until the last breath, then you wake up. Okay. This is very important, because in coma state, sometimes your brain not function already, but you can still keep awareness, notice, stay focused on your illness, on your body, tired and illness, and now nearly pass away. You can stay focused. When your mind got object of meditation on your body, your mind got power and got the light wake up. Okay, go to the higher level. Okay, but if you never practice from your heart, stay focused from your heart, you don't know how to help yourself. You got coma state, your brain not function, you cannot focus, breathing or whatever, you cannot focus because your brain not function. But you can just go inside. Your brain not function, go inside. You still can notice something. Yeah, you can notice and breathing. Okay, and you still notice and aware of breathing. Yes. So that's why I just use stay focused. It comes from your citta, your pure mind. You don't need to use your brain. Okay, but focus on something. You need your brain, you need your eye to look and focus. Okay, but to look at yourself, you don't need your physical eye. You only awareness and notice and aware and notice and aware. Okay, so now we develop first right concentration from citta. Open eye, your eye look thing in front, and usually your heart disturbed, but your heart not disturbed if your heart stay focused on body, sitting, walking, and breathing. From your heart, you can stay focused together, body and breathing. That's right. Can you? Very simple. Sitting, relaxing, and breathing from your citta. So now today, we just open eye first. Otherwise, you close your eye, you use your brain. Okay? You open eye, your brain, your eye, your ear with me, but your heart with your breathing. More, if your heart with your body and breathing, every moment you become Sodaban. Okay? That means stream entry. You can U-turn. You turn your mind, your heart, come to your body and breathing. This is stream entry or U-turn. But usually you never U-turn. You only go forward. Your eye look forward, your mind go forward, your ear listen outside, your mind, your heart go outside. But now you listen to me, your mind just notice yourself. Okay? Hearing me, because from your heart, when you stay focused, if you can stay focused yourself, you can hear me as well. Okay? This is the benefit. You turn to look at yourself, but you can hear my talk as well. So stay focused, you can fulfill mindfulness of inside outside perception. Okay? This is very good benefit. And now you just realize more you stay focused, it calm down. And now you just sit and stay focused. You need sit upright. Okay, otherwise it no power. You sit like this, it got difficulty. Okay, it not relax. Sit upright and relax the whole body. Okay, and can you stay focused together? Body and breathing can, because breathing is a part of body. Now, in the first starting 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes, open eye and just train your mind, can stay focused, even your face, even your neck, even your shoulder, even your chest, even your leg, okay, your lap, your arm, your feet. Can you? And now, can you stay focused? Even body inside, 4 elements of body, is body inside, warm and cool. Can you stay focused on warm and cool? 5 elements. Stay focused on earth element. Stay focused on water element and air element. And can you stay focused on body inside? Heartbeat. Stay focused, different from focus. Focus, you try to force heartbeat. Stay focused, you don't do any attempt, only just notice. Okay? Just notice. Notice and aware. Stay focused on your breathing in continuously. Stay focused on your breathing out continuously. Stay focused, you can rely breathing and sensation of breathing together. This is benefit of concentration from your heart. Because your concentration from your heart within, you can stay focused on body and sensation of body and your mind activity or any wholesome or unwholesome. So let's say thought or emotion is a form of sensation, but it's very severe form. Okay, severe. That means you are angry. Okay, but before you are really angry, you just feel anger like sensation. I see. You can sense anger is a form of sensation. Desire is a form of sensation. That's why when you stay focused on sensation of breathing, then you can realize anger is a form of sensation, or desire a form of sensation coming up. But because you can stay focused on breathing and sensation of breathing, then you can realize this is not the present moment. Present moment is a sensation of breathing. Other sensation is not present moment. Then you just aware and let go. Okay? So now just remind yourself the present moment is breathing, body and sensation of body and breathing. Okay? Just stay focused on breathing and body foundation first with eye open. And I told you already, when you stay focused from heart, even you stay focused on breathing, you can see your body rising, falling as well. Because stay focused, you can see the whole body that is breathing and sitting, posture and movement and action and rising, falling. So that was stay focused. You got calmness and insight. You got calmness and vipassana. And you don't have to try to do anything. Don't try to focus. Only stay calm, stay mindful, stay aware by feeling yourself, relaxing, feeling your body and notice, feeling bodily action and notice, feeling breathing in and notice, feeling breathing out and notice. Then it already there, stay focused. When you got first feeling and notice body, feeling and notice breathing, feeling and notice movement, then now you know how to feeling and notice one object. Stay focused on one object, feeling and notice one object on breathing. Then you can notice sensation of breathing and more notice all other sensation from your mind, from your thought, from your desire. It got in the beginning a kind of sensation. It's in the form of sensation. So then you can see now sensation of desire calm, but it's not the present moment. The present moment is sensation of being. And then you just notice more sensation of being, more subtle. Then you can notice a kind of sensation from your wholesome, unwholesome, from your attachment. It's really subtle. Okay, so we only develop more stay focused. And are you able to notice subtle and more subtle sensation of breathing? Are you able? If you are able to notice and aware subtle and more subtle, then the world inside, mind activity and all mental phenomena will be open up to you. Okay, just notice and aware breathing and sensation of breathing. This is the present moment. Just stay mindful on your breathing. That means notice and aware of breathing and sensation of breathing. And then you can open eye. Even your eye look around, but your heart stay focused only on body and breathing and sensation of body and breathing. Okay, and it become more relaxed. Really relaxed. And then more you notice sensation, then it got more consciousness. Wake up, consciousness mind wake up. First, you just feel breathing in, feeling, breathing out, you got consciousness. But feeling, then notice sensation. If you are able to notice sensation, more consciousness mind wake up. And then it got jhana, it got vipassana jhana. Before you close your eye, open your eye, but look at yourself. Then your eye go down a bit. Look at yourself. First look at me, then notice and aware of breathing. And then you can see, when you look at me, your mind can turn inwards. And then when you more turn inward, it get calmness. It get calmness, then your eye will slowly go down. Okay? But not completely closed, it only light go down a bit, and then feeling and notice more on your breathing. Feeling and notice more on the whole body, sitting, relaxing, and sensation of body and breathing together. And now you got contemplation. When you can see together uh, body and sensation of body, breathing and sensation of breathing, that means you got contemplation. And now contemplation into each moment. Each moment, then you can realize sensation arising, disappearing, sensation got anicca, it changing. Sensation on your body got changing, anicca. For example, cool and warm, warm and cool, cool and warm, warm and cool. It got movement. Okay. Can you see all the changing? Then you got very good present moment mindfulness. Awareness and notice body and sensation of body, breathing and sensation of breathing. Then you got fulfillment of contemplation of body according to the four foundation Satipatthana. Then you get calmness, mindfulness, awareness, and consciousness wake up in your heart. And more awareness, if you keep notice more, feeling and notice your body and breathing more, you get more awareness of second foundation, sensual pleasure. Third foundation, thought. Fourth foundation is wholesome and unwholesome feeling, desire and attachment. So you just maintain mindfulness and awareness, feeling and notice the first foundation, body and breathing. Keep going on. Not forgot. Okay? Feeling and notice. Feeling your body, your breathing, you got nowhere wake up. Okay? Notice you got stay focused from heart. Notice it come from your heart. Stay focused from your heart. Then when you stay focused from your heart also stay focused into your heart. Okay? Your heart very good. First stay focused from your heart on body and breathing. Then it stay focused into your heart as well. Okay? It's going by itself, happen by itself. Sit upright and feel you're sitting on Mother Earth clearly. Feel you're sitting touching on Mother Earth clearly. Feeling and notice. Feeling you get nowhere wake up. Notice you got contemplation. Yeah. Notice you got contemplation into the Dhamma. But observe how sitting upright. Observe is mindfulness outside. Observe sitting posture upright, not sleepy. But notice is awareness, develop more awareness. Breathing and notice you are breathing naturally. It get into calmness, quietness, in seclusion. More calmness, awareness, consciousness, in seclusion, you got realize something. Clear mind, wake up. Look up, smiling up, clear mind more, wake up. Sit mindfully and consciously. Breathing in mindfully and consciously. and share mercy to everybody in your family, everybody in the country with loving kindness and compassion. Smile to yourself for your good health, happiness, and all success. And we finish this session. Break, and then another session.